Your money doesn't seem to go as far as it once did. Have you noticed that? This is a result of inflation, which is the rate of increase in the cost of goods and services. It is difficult to save money for the future and can reduce your purchasing power due to inflation. Investing in assets that have the potential to hold or even increase in value over time is one of the most crucial things you can do to safeguard yourself against inflation. I'll be sharing 5 assets with you in this video that you may invest in to guard against inflation. All of them are sensible investments with a history of outpacing inflation in the long run. First asset, real estate. Because real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, it is an excellent hedge against inflation. This is due to the fact that land is a limited resource and housing demand is constantly rising. Second asset, stocks. Although stocks can be a risky investment, they may yield significant profits in the long run. Stocks can be a smart strategy to hedge against inflation if you're ready to take on some risk. Commodities are the third asset. Raw materials like gold, oil, and agricultural items are called commodities. Because there is a strong demand and a limited supply, commodities typically keep their value well during inflationary times. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, constitute asset number 4. One kind of bond that the U.S. government issues is called a TIPS. As TIPS's principal value is inflation adjusted, you may be certain that your investment will grow as prices do. Currency exchanges are asset number 5. You may want to think about investing in foreign currencies if you're seeking for a more global investment. Stronger economies typically see their currencies grow in value relative to weaker economies. Although there are things you may take to protect yourself, inflation is a genuine threat to your financial security. You may contribute to ensuring that your money maintains its purchasing power over time by making investments in the assets I've covered in this video. Recall: property-related stocks, treasury commodities, foreign currencies, inflation-protected securities, TIPS. Which kinds of videos are you hoping will produce? Kindly inform us in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money-saving advice if you found it useful. Please take note that the content in this video is not financial advice. Always conduct independent research before making an investment. And do not hesitate to ask questions in the comments section below. I'm always glad to assist. I appreciate you seeing.